Farmers are upping their ante against the centre. All shops, institutions and bus services will remain suspended in Punjab today after the protesting farmers call for Bandh over their demands on MSP. Now, the Bandh has been called till 4 p.m. while bus services will be impacted from 10 to 2 p.m. Additionally, trains will also be stopped. Now, daily life is set to come to be affected as milk, fruits, vegetables will not be available, as with many organizations extending their support to the protest.
पंजाब बंद है। जिस तरह से पूरे पंजाबियों ने, हर एक संस्थाओं ने हमें सपोर्ट किया, उसका धन्यवाद। हम जरूरी अनुरोध करेंगे जनता से, जो भी आज और रात जहां भी आना जाना जरूरी चाहता उसे चले जाना चाहिए। इमरजेंसी सेवाएं हम लोग बहाल रखेंगे, जैसे मेडिकल की सेवा, कोई डेड बॉडी हो, इसी के साथ साथ बाराती का कोई कार्यक्रम बारात का हो, कोई इंटरव्यू वगैरह हो, कोई एयरपोर्ट की सेवा, इमरजेंसी सेवाएं, और हम लोग हर हाल में उसको बहाल रखा जाएगा। और मुकम्मल बंद का आह्वान जितने भी पंजाबी है, जहां जहां रेल जाम होगी, जहां जहां रोड जाम होगी, उसके लिए हम कहते हैं लाखों की तादाद में आप रोड और रेल पर आइए और इस मोर्चे को सफल करिए।
The All India Kisan Congress has also extended its support to the farmers' Punjab Bandh. Meanwhile, farmer leader Jagjit Singh Dhaliwal's indefinite fast has entered its 35th day today. Remember, after the Supreme Court had given ultimatum to the Punjab government to shift the leader from the protesting side, protesting farmer leaders at the Kanhari border said that it's up to the centre to decide whether to use force to evict their leader. But I'll take that point straight across to my colleague Pavit Kaur, who joins me this morning to keep us ahead. Pavit, very good morning to you. Given the fact that, look, it's very obvious that the protests are not going to die down anytime soon, also with the call for what has really happened so far. But with this continuing today and restrictions in certain places, tell us the latest on that front, while, of course, what's being done to really meet those demands as well.
See, right now I am at the Mohali Airport Road, and behind me in the visuals you can see that a Punjab Bandh call has been given by the Kisan Mazdoor Morcha and the Sanyukt Kisan Morcha, non-political, in support of the farmer leader Jagjit Singh Dhaliwal and the ongoing farmer protest which is going from past few months. So right now in the visuals you can see that the Kisans, the farmers, are already on the roads, and this call, which was given, the set timings from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. So the Bandh is in support of the farmer leader Jagjit Singh Dhaliwal and the rest of the demands, which include the 13 key farm-related issues. So the key areas and the key sectors which are said to be affected and which are going to get affected already, the effect has started seeing. So as we all know that around 168 trains have been cancelled, and around 50 trains have been diverted from various places which had their route through Punjab, various railway tracks. So not only this, the milk vendors have decided that they will stay off roads during the Bandh, and even the SGPC has declared a full support. So according to the farmers' leaders, Swan Singh Pandey, who issued a statement, who issued a social media statement stating that the expected that, where he's saying that the essential services will remain open if someone has to go to the hospital, or if there is an emergency, only then the people will be allowed to move in Punjab. So only also right now in the visuals you can see that the farmers have started gathering, because the call timings were given around 7 a.m. till 4 p.m. So you can see that the people are being stopped who are going for their daily chorus, who are going for their daily work are being stopped, and only those people are allowed to move across the state who have some emergency services, any medical service or any interviews or anything like that. So the effect has already started seeing. So you can see the people are getting a lot of trouble out here, because this is the call which is affecting, because Mohali is the hub of many areas and it's the center of Punjab. So you can say that even people from Chandigarh or from Panchkula, especially, they travel in the Tri-City for their daily work. Some have their offices in Chandigarh, some have their offices in Panchkula. So their daily activities are getting affected. You can see in the visuals right now that the farmers have already gathered since 7 a.m. in the morning. The barricading have been placed, and no unnecessary unnecessary movement is being allowed. In addition to Punjab, the farmer leaders have also appealed the neighbouring states, including Haryana, to join the protest in solidarity. Even we'll try to have a word with the farmer leader Tejveer Singh, who is sitting since morning and who has placed all these barricadings, and he is supporting the farmer, the 13 key reforms that we are talking from past few months. So अगर बात करें तेजवीर जी, आज पंजाब बंद की जो है वो कॉल दी गई है, किस तरीके से इस कॉल को देख रहे हैं आप और किस चीज के समर्थन में ये कॉल जो है आप लोगों द्वारा दी गई है? क्योंकि हम देख रहे हैं कि काफी जो है लोगों को दिक्कत परेशानी का भी सामना करना पड़ रहा है, क्योंकि लोग मोहाली में या फिर पंचकुला या फिर चंडीगढ़ की अगर हम बात करें तो लोग अलग अलग कामों के लिए वहां जाते हैं, सिर्फ मोहाली में ही नहीं।
असल में क्या है कि पहले तो जो किसान पिछले 11 महीने से लगातार आंदोलनरत हैं किसानों की मांगों के लिए जो सरकार ने मानी हुई है उनके समर्थन में, और जगजीत सिंह डल्लेवाल जी के अमर अनशन को आज 34 दिन पूरे हो चुके हैं। वो किसानों की मजदूरों की मांगों को लेकर अमर अनशन पर हैं, तो उनका समर्थन करने के लिए और पूरे पंजाब के अंदर बंद की कॉल दी गई है। भरपूर हमें समर्थन मिला। आप देखिए पूरे रोड खाली हो चुके हैं, लेकिन हमने पूरी व्यवस्था बनाई हुई है कि जो एयरपोर्ट जाने वाले हैं, जिनको मेडिकल दिक्कत है, जिनका एग्जाम है, तो उनको जाने दिया जा रहा है। किसी की शादी है उनको जाने दिया जा रहा है। इमरजेंसी सेवाएं हमने बहाल की गई हैं।
आप इमरजेंसी सेवाएं की बात कर रहे हैं, लेकिन मोहाली से कई लोग जो है वो चंडीगढ़ या पंचकुला जो है डेली मर्रा की जिंदगी में अपने काम करने जाते हैं, क्या आप उनको जाने दे रहे हैं?
नहीं, देखिए असल में क्या है कि जो मार्केट है, हमें पीआरटीसी का समर्थन है, आंगनवाड़ी का है, तो मोहाली तो टोटली बंद है। लेकिन जो बीच वाला रास्ता है चंडीगढ़ से पंचकुला की तरफ वो खुले हैं, वो रोड डाइवर्ट कर रखा है ट्रैफिक ने। हमने जो मेन रोड था एक जो आइसर से मतलब कि पंजाब से एयरपोर्ट से शाहना साहब के गुरुद्वारे की तरफ जाता है, उस पर हम बैठे हैं। बीच वाले रोड बिल्कुल खाली हैं, वो उनसे रूट डाइवर्ट कर सकते हैं, और हम कहीं को चंडीगढ़ के जाके किसी एक किनारे पर नहीं बैठे हैं।
So the farmer leader Tejveer Singh is saying that the essential services are in place and the people are not being stopped for these services. Also, you can see that above the airport road there is this railway line. Even that has been blocked by the farmers in support of the call that has been given of Punjab Band today. So the effect has started reflecting. We have to wait for a few hours to see that in the other states, which include Amritsar, Jalandhar, Bathinda, what all effects will be seen there, because it has been just couple of hours since the band has started, so we have to wait for another couple of hours to see how this band is going to affect the entire Punjab, because the call has already been initiated and barricadings have been placed. So we have to wait for some time to see that how this Punjab band call is going to affect and escalate further.
Absolutely. Like you rightly pointed that out and got us those voices as well. What will the larger impact of this be, if any? We shall know throughout the day, and we'll trust you to keep us ahead, and we'll keep coming back to you. But for the moment, we leave it at that.